Good morning from Las Vegas. I'm going to shop at Big Lots here on Lake Mead. I hope they still have that almond butter. Last time I was here was about 10 days ago and they still had about 10 jars, so we'll see what they have. The food section's in the far back. Looks like I'm in luck. No one's bought them. I just finished shopping at Sprouts and it was super quiet in there. There was only like 2 or 3 customers. I got some parsley, so I'll make my smoothie once I get back home. And they said that this is the newest store in town, the one on Alta, and the busiest store in town is the one in Summerlin. So a lot of Summerlin people come here to the Alta one because this is the slowest one, even though they are the newest. But it's super nice inside. Now I'm making my quinoa. First thing you want to do is measure out 3 cups of quinoa and then put it in the strainer like this and clean it out with water, rinse it. That makes sure all of the dirt goes away. And then you want to boil your water here. So that's getting ready. And then once it's boiling, I'm going to pop it in to the kettle. After washing the quinoa, you just put it into the pot. It started boiling already. Now I'm just going to let it simmer for about 30 minutes or so. That's finished. I'll put the timer on for 20 minutes.
Very low heat.
Okay.
Can't boil fast.
Next comes the celery. I got to cut the celeries and prepare them. So I cut off the stems and the other parts, which I'll use for a smoothie later. The next thing you want to do is cut up your vegetables. I'm going to use the cucumber, celery root. Just want to chop them up to be small pieces. And then you're going to mix them with the quinoa. Now after the cucumber and celery, I got some avocados, lemon juice, cauliflower, red bell pepper, some olives, parsley, and I'm soaking some sunflower seeds. You just want to put a little bit of the lemon juice in here. I'm putting all my ingredients into this pot so I can mix it up before I put it in with the quinoa. These black olives, you can use green or black. And then for the cauliflower, I'm going to chop it up. So you want to cut everything into fine pieces since it's going to be mixed in with the quinoa, which is also fine. The olives that I got were just the whole olives, so I got to slice them myself. That looks like I got them all. Here's one. There we go. Now I'm going to get the avocado. Don't forget the radishes. These are my veggies. They're all chopped up and nicely cut. And I got my quinoa. I'm gonna add some soaked sunflower seeds as well. So I got a huge batch. It should last for a day or 2. I got my carrots, scallion onions, radishes, avocado, onions, cauliflower, red bell pepper, olives, celery, and cucumber at the end. Just put that all into the bowl, and that will be enough food for 2 meals at least, depending on how many people you have. Now this thing is soaked sunflowers. I'm just gonna put a little bit of that in and mix it now. Well, that looks pretty good. That's your finished product right there. I forgot to add cilantro and the rest of the sunflowers.